Hello, sir. Good evening. My name is Shaira Bellamore from Vitalet 37A. So, for my figure of speech performance, I chose the song I'll Be There by Julian Sanse. I'll sing the intro part of the song, then I explain the figure of speech that can be found in its lyrics. So, I'm going to start. First time I laid my eyes on someone like you, I can't forget the hour, that moment with you. Then I realized love's growing deep inside. I feel the beating of my heart. So for the first line, first time I laid my eyes on someone like you. So it is the type of figure of speech that is hyperbole, meaning it exaggerates how unforgettable the first meeting was. Then for the second line is I can't forget the hour, that moment with you. So it is also hyperbole, meaning the memory of being with that person is unforgettable. So next line is then I have realized. It is also the type of figure of speech, narration or expression of thought, meaning the singer is simply telling the moment they understood their feelings. So for the fourth line is love is growing deep inside. It is also the type of figure of speech, metaphor and personification, meaning love is described as if it's alive. It is becoming stronger inside the heart. Then for the last line is I feel the beating of my heart. It is also the type of figure of speech, imagery, meaning the singer feels excited and emotional because of love. And that's all, sir. That is my short performance and explanation of figure of speech from the song I'll Be There. And that's all. Thank you for watching.